I just got a box from iHub Global. It wasn't supposed to be here until Monday, but it showed up on Saturday. So they underpromised and over-delivered. Let's see what it is. Because the only thing I got coming from them is my miner. I'm so excited. Yeah, baby. Ooh, look at that. Ta-da! So, iHub Global is real, baby.